Matt, get over here. Do you think this is a joke? Missing work without a word? You think we're running a charity here?
I'm sorry, sir. I was going through something personal.
Personal? Oh. Give me a break, Matt. Do you see them? They have families to feed, bills to pay. You think they can afford to skip work?
I didn't mean to let anyone down. It won't happen again.
It already happened. And here's what's going to happen now. I'm deducting 20% from your salary this month. And you're working extra hours to make up for yesterday. If you pull this stunt again, you're out of here. Do you understand? No more excuses. If you want to play around, do it somewhere else. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now grab your tools and get to work. You've wasted enough time already.
Hey, gamer boy. I brought you some fruits. Heard you've been working too hard.
Thanks, Lola. You didn't have to.
Of course, I did. You've been killing yourself at that construction site. You need to take care of yourself. Now, let me show you how a pro handles this game.
You talk big, but let's see you beat me. So, how's everything going with the bank? The papers, I mean.
Oh, the usual. They said the documents are with the head office now for verification. It's going to take at least a month.
A month? That's a long time.
Tell me about it. And, of course, bills don't wait. Speaking of bills, I need your help, Matt. I'm short $1,000, and I need it urgently. I'll pay you back as soon as this whole bank thing is sorted.
1,000? That's a lot.
I wouldn't ask if it weren't urgent. You've been so good to me. I know I can count on you.
Yeah, of course. Let me see what I can do. Hey, Mr. Phillips. It's Matt.
What now, Matt?
I need a salary advance. Just $1,000.
You've got some nerve asking after missing work last week. What's this for?
It's personal. Please, sir. I'll make it up with extra shifts.
Fine. You'll get it tomorrow. But I'm docking your next paycheck. Don't let me regret this.
Thank you, sir. I won't. You'll have it tomorrow.
You're the best, Matt. I knew I could trust you.
Matt, we need to talk.
About what now?
About you. You've been acting strange. Something's off, and I need you to be honest with me.
There's nothing to talk about, Uncle Duran. Just give it time and you'll see how I reap.
Give it time, Matt. I'm older than you, and I've seen enough to smell fishy business from a mile away.
You're overthinking this. I've got a plan. I'm handling things.
Handling things, Matt? Whatever you're hiding will come out in broad daylight. Lies don't stay buried forever.
I'm not lying.
Then be transparent. Why are you so hesitant? What are you keeping from me?
I just need some time. That's all.
Matt, you're like a brother to me. I'm telling you this for your own good. Whatever you're tangled up in, it's not worth it if you can't be open about it.
I hear you, Duran. I do. But trust me, it's not what you think.
I hope not. Just remember, Matt, what's done in the dark will always come to light. Don't dig yourself into a hole you can't climb out of.
I won't, Duran. I'll figure it out.
You'd better. And if you need real help, you know where to find me.
Please support us by subscribing to this channel if you liked this video. Don't forget to like and comment. Thank you for watching.